A popular item at La-Z-Boy is our SlumberAir mattress. You'll find that on our sleeper sofas. They're very easy to inflate and deflate, and we're going to walk you through those steps right now. We're going to reach in, there's a little handle right here. Just pull it straight up. And there's another handle right here in the middle, and you're just going to pull that straight out, and it'll just go down onto the floor. And this is the SlumberAir mattress. The slumber part's on top, and that's a standard mattress underneath. And right here is where the pump actually is. This is where it is. There's a regular mattress under here. It comes with the pump, so you don't have to go out and buy one. Just take this, lay it right down on the top of here, twist it, untwist it, just untwist it, and then just put the little cap right back there. And this will zip right up if you want to zip it up, and it encloses it completely. That's how easy it is to inflate the SlumberAir mattress. The deflated is just as easy. I'm just going to reach down here, there's a little button, I'm just going to press that, and you can see this big opening. It's going to just all start coming out. The air's just going to go right away. You don't even have to wait. Just push this in. Give it a second. Push it in. That's all there is. And you're back to a sofa again. Now that we've shown you how easy it is to go from sofa to sleeper back to sofa again, if you have any questions, you can click the link below, or you can stop into the La-Z-Boy store at North Lake and ask for Shirley.